Travel and Tyler style. Back at it with another defense show video. Here we go again. DSEI 2025 in London is the largest defense and security show in the UK. It's their premier event. I've been coming to the show since 2011 and it just keeps getting bigger. It just created a new hall. The more conflict there is around the world only helps DSEI. That's just the truth. They got everything covered in the defense industry: air, cyber, land, sea, and space. Companies exhibit armored vehicles, missiles, firearms, drones. If it's in the defense industry, it will be exhibited at this show. So today we're going to be taking a look around and seeing what DSEI is all about. This is the KNDS Leopard 2, a third-generation German battle tank. Recently, the Netherlands were like, yeah, we'll take 46 of them for $1 billion. That's like $21 million a piece. Dang. This is the AM General JLTV-2. This is our latest armored vehicle. You know this thing jump starts off of a laptop? True story. They're starting production now on this. This is a model of the Airbus H-145M helicopter. This is the Rheinmetall Lynx Ranger 35. Shoots 1,000 rounds a minute. At DSEI, Teledyne FLIR unveiled the Sky Carrier, which is a platform designed to allow Teledyne FLIR's Sky Raider and Sky Ranger to operate autonomously from a land or naval platform on the move. Let's just watch this for a second. How cool is this? This is the Robotic Systems T4 and T7 robots. I just read that right off the sign, by the way. This is the Rheinmetall modular vehicle, which is a hybrid with 6 wheels. These mannequin soldiers look like they're just sitting around the dinner table. This is what I do though. I travel the world, I go to defense shows, and I record videos of it so you can see another side of the world. If that type of content interests you, subscribe to my channel. I understand that this is controversial. I totally get that some people are not into defense shows or they're against it, but it's business. The more conflict there is in the world, the larger the defense shows get. And even when there's not conflict in the region, the defense shows are still growing. It is what it is. There are protesters outside fighting it, and I sympathize with them because I understand they have a cause, but the reality is they're not going anywhere and they're losing the fight. Weapons are a way of life. It's part of survival. This is what I got. Travel and Tyler style. Subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of videos coming. Shout out to Coleman Worldwide, Clarion, Kuhnenagel, everybody involved with DSEI. Till next time, DSEI 2025, London, UK. I'm out.